How to use Google Photos for backup. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Photos to back up your photos and videos automatically. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone and make sure that you are signed in with your account. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap Backup. Turn on the Backup toggle at the top. Under Backup Account, make sure the correct Google account is selected, the one where you want everything stored. Next, here is the backup quality. I have Choose Original Quality option. If you want full resolution backups, choose Original, but keep in mind this uses more of your Google storage. And make sure the photos and videos are both being back up on your Google Photos app. And you'll see the backup starting automatically. Once backup is complete, your media will be safely stored in Google Photos and synced across your devices. That's all for the video. With these steps, you can make sure your memories are always safe and backed up. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.